Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we're diving deep into the Surface Laptop Go, a device that has garnered attention for its sleek design and portability. However, many users are left wondering about its repairability. Let's break down the components and see why it might be considered unrepairable. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage. These tools are essential for safely opening the device without causing harm. Begin by turning off your Surface Laptop Go and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, using the Torx T5 screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the device. There are typically 6 screws, so ensure you keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious here, as the clips can be quite tight. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. After removing the back cover, you'll see the internal components. The first thing to note is the battery, which is glued in place. This makes replacement quite difficult. If you're considering a battery replacement, keep in mind that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Next, let's look at the motherboard. It's important to note that many components are soldered directly onto the motherboard, including the RAM and storage. This design choice significantly limits repair options. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of travel. Now, let's discuss cleaning. If you notice dust accumulation, it's crucial to clean the internals carefully. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and vents. This can help improve performance and prevent overheating. However, be cautious not to touch any components directly with your fingers, as oils can cause damage. As we continue, it's worth mentioning that the Surface Laptop Go's design prioritizes aesthetics and portability over repairability. This is a common trend in modern laptops, where manufacturers often favor sleek designs that are difficult to open and repair. In conclusion, while the Surface Laptop Go is a fantastic device for everyday use, its repairability is limited due to its design choices. If you encounter issues, consider reaching out for our services. We can assist with a professional diagnosis and provide you with options tailored to your needs. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service at your doorstep. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has shed some light on the Surface Laptop Go's repairability. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.